Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning here in LA. The weather is not too bad this morning. It is 7 a.m. right now and slightly overcast. I've got a shoot coming up tonight. But first, I've got two video calls, quite important meetings this morning. But first, let's get some coffee. Weather's looking not too bad, actually. I'm going back to my hotel room right now, doing all my video calls. Quick update on the weather. It's 10:30 a.m. right now, and I mean, it's only getting worse right now. So we're gonna see. I was checking actually at the weather forecast earlier, and this is what is supposed to look like in the coming hours. So if you look at the rain forecast, so we're supposed to shoot at 4 p.m. So luckily enough, all the LA part is dry around that time. So sunset is at 5:30, which is about there. So we should be fine. Okay, so I'm about to go. I just booked the Uber and it's supposed to be there in about 10 minutes. So first, we're gonna pack the camera stuff. First things I'm going to bring with me are obviously the two camera bodies and these two lenses, which are the go-to for me. So there's a 24-70 f2.8 and the 70-200 for these nice compressed shots. So yeah, let's just pack everything and go. So I'm currently in Santa Monica here, just right behind me. I'm looking at where I am going to shoot. We've got two outfits to shoot today, so two different looks. So I really want to get two different vibes. We're probably going to get sunset. Seeing there's clouds, but it looks decent for a sunset. So yeah, I'm just kind of scouting locations around. Obviously, we've got the pier that's very typical. Very crowded though, so I'm not sure we're gonna shoot on the pier. We have the small lifeguard houses on the beach. There's plenty of them. That's a very typical kind of location to do a few pictures. Again, not sure we're gonna do a full shoot with just lighthouse. The beach looks amazing. There's reflection from the water coming on the sand. There's a lot of wind, so that could add a little bit of drama to the outfit, to the hair. So I'm gonna scout around and see if there's anything else. There's obviously all the walk that's right up there. The whole walk is beautiful. I mean, there's palm trees and we can do really cool stuff here, so I can't wait to shoot. But yeah, typically when I go to shoot and I get to new places and I shoot in new locations, because I don't know them, I need to get inspired by the place, by the light, by the energy that surrounds the place. And I tend to go to the location at least 1 hour before the shoot so that I can really get myself into visualizing exactly what I want from the shoot and what I want to, capture. Side note, everybody needs to warm up, whether you've done that 100 times or not. Okay, so Jaden, you're gonna look this way. Do you prefer I call you Kenzie or Mackenzie? Whatever. Kenzie's shorter. It's just gonna look this way. Maybe turn your head a little bit more. So you're gonna turn, instead of going like this and have like a lot of white in your eye, you're gonna just turn your chin a little bit more. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, this is great. I'm doing the basic, this is the flyers pictures, and we're gonna get into more creative stuff a little bit later. Kenzie, place yourself a little bit forward, just a tiny bit, yeah. And Jaden, stay here. Maybe place yourself on one of both legs, whatever. I think more the right side. Yeah, something like that. Turn your shoulders a little bit towards, yeah, slightly. So both look in your own diagonals, yeah. I know I'm having your right side, but
it's okay.
Have your hand on her waist or something. Yeah, maybe like this, yeah. Yeah, look at her. Tilt your head towards him. Yeah, forehead. Cool. Okay, keep it there. Just 1 second. I really like the look towards me. Yes, I like this. Yeah, look this way. Look this way. Guys, that is it for the shoot. I had an amazing time shooting Jaden and Mackenzie. As you can see, the sunset is epic, but maybe it was an awesome shoot. We did 2 outfits, 2 very different looks, and I'm super happy that we got through this and that we pushed through the wind and a bit of the cold, because it wasn't that warm. The wind is pushing, and yeah, thanks Jaden and Mackenzie for pushing through and making this happen with me. I had a really cool time. I loved shooting with you guys. I can't wait to get back to the hotel. That's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna get an Uber and go back to the hotel, edit a couple of pictures so that I can post them in the story right away to post a preview for everyone to see what we created today. Yeah, can't wait already for the next one, because that was really cool. So it is 7 p.m. I just got back to the hotel room, getting a pizza delivered to me now, editing a couple pictures from tonight's shoot, getting ready for tomorrow as well, packing the stuff back into the bag and the suitcase, because I'll be leaving tomorrow. I don't know yet if I'll be leaving in the morning or in the afternoon, but we're sorting this out now. Yeah, I'm tired. Jet lag is still there. I mean, it's 7:30, I think. Yeah, 7:30 p.m., which is fine. I mean, I'm gonna eat, edit a couple pictures, and go to bed. That'll be me. Guys, I have to say, I am super happy with how the pictures turned out. Like, super happy. I've started editing a couple of them, and I'm mind blown by the cinematic vibe of these shots. I mean, they're so cool. Here's an example, just right here. I mean, what? I mean, I was hoping for a sunset. We didn't really get it, but we still got a bit of that sunset vibe, light in the background, and it just looks out of a movie. I am so happy. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning right now. I just went to get myself some Starbucks because coffee's needed. What's the plan now? So firstly, thank you for liking and interacting so much with yesterday's shot that we took with Jaden and Mackenzie on Santa Monica Beach. That was an epic shot. The weather was wild, but that's what gave us this cinematic, very powerful vibe in the sky. I mean, it really enhanced the shoot's vibe totally. So this morning, it's Wednesday. I'm going to be editing a little bit more of those shots. Today is more of a transition day. I just got to the second location where I'll be staying for the next 3 days, guys. Look at this view. So tonight we're just gonna relax, chill, chat, and all that stuff. And tomorrow the plan is to shoot at 10 a.m. We'll be in the studio. I'll take you with me into the studio as well. And that's basically the plan for the next actually 2 days. We're gonna head out, get some food, and yeah, that's the plan for tonight. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday morning and it is shooting day today. This is day one of the studio shoot that we're doing with Sean Alyssa. We've got casual creative shoot. Today we're gonna have more of a routine, with costumes and all that stuff, choreo shoot tomorrow. So today we're gonna focus on building this new portfolio within like 3 hours. I think we've got 3 hours in the studio. We're gonna go for 3 different looks, 3 different improv dances, and that's basically the plan. So I'm taking you with me onto the studio shoot. Let's go. Yeah. like your arm kind of sending over. Yeah. And also we need to think about something. Ooh, there's rain on the camera. Day one, guys, is done. The shoot was awesome. It's raining in California now, but that's us done. Hi guys, good morning. It is Friday morning today. This is my last day here in LA. We're going to shoot the choreo that Sean Alyssa performed this year at the Open. We decided to change studio space just because we needed something a little bit bigger than yesterday to shoot in. So we're gonna try to get that booked today. We found something, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's gonna work out. So we'll be taking you with us to that studio space for the choreo, and hopefully everything's gonna be great. Hey guys, so we just came back from coffee, and so we have the confirmation that we are going to shoot in that amazing space that we're gonna take you in about 2 hours. Before I film a routine, I tried to get inspiration from other artists and other creators from other dance styles or other like cinematic styles. You'll see while I'm there shooting that I don't use any gimbal. That's a choice I make because I like to have some kind of natural movement with the camera. I feel it's making it more human, more natural, and something more, a little bit more raw that gives a little bit more emotions through the lens and through the camera. We're probably going to film most of the stuff diagonal, like this being the slot.
Oh.
Not like here or here, but like here. Because it means I can really like come around and do a lot. Oh, this is so cool. So this is day 2 of shooting, guys. We are in Rev Cine Studio, and this is the space we're working with. There's also like a black void space. I didn't put the lights up here, but we've used it just earlier. This is the psych behind us, which is absolutely amazing. The space is really cool. We're gonna go to part 2 of the shoot and do the choreo now. So the idea is to film everything handheld with this rig right here with a 24-70 mil, filming everything in f4. I'm not going f2.8 just to give me this extra security. And basically that's it. So let's do this. Then, so you have darkness there, because I want on the kick, both of your legs are in. I feel it's cool.
Nice.
Good job.
One
Yay.
mental breakdown later.
And I am back in France. To be honest, I had completely forgotten to do an outro. This is one of the first times I'm doing this kind of video. So if you like this kind of format, don't forget to give it a like and to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. I will see you anyways in the next video.